In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add image alt attributes to your images in your WordPress site step by step. This is part of the WordPress skills playlist. If you haven't checked out that playlist yet, it's linked to in the description down below. It's all about getting you better at WordPress, so make sure you check out that playlist. If you have any questions or comments about this video, please leave them down below. I try to answer them the best I can. My name is Bjorn Allpass from WPLearningLab, where we help you get better at WordPress so you can earn more for yourself, your customers, and for your business. If you haven't done so yet, click subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Now let's get started. On this post, we have two images, and this first one is the featured image, and this one here is an image embedded inside the post. Neither of them have an alt tag, and an alt tag is basically a description of the image. It's used by screen readers, which are used by people who have visual impairments, and they describe images. They describe images based on what's said in the alt tag. The screen readers can't actually look at the image and describe there's a man sitting here smiling in front of his computer, but the alt text that we put in there can have that description. And so people can basically use their imagination to create the image in their head because they can't see it properly. Alt tags are also important if the image is broken. I'm just going to break this URL here for the image, and you'll see what I mean. So now the image is broken, it's not there, and the alt tag would be shown here as a description of the image. And this can happen on a regular site. I did it manually by breaking the link, but you could have the image moved to a different location and the URL changes. You could have the image deleted from your site. You could have a really slow server response time, doesn't load the image in time. There's all kinds of reasons why an image can break, and there's no alt tag. People are sitting here wondering what this broken image was. So let's add an alt tag. Let's go to Edit Post, and we are going to click on the image. And on the right-hand side, if you're using the Gutenberg editor, we have the ability to add alt text right here. So I'm going to enter smiling man sitting at a desk with his computer. And here we see describe the purpose of the image. So it's describing what the alt tag does. And now we save this, and let's view this page again once that's saved. Go back down to the image. We don't see it anywhere if the image is working fine, but screen readers can see it. Now, if we break the image, like we did a moment ago, we now see smiling man sitting at a desk with his computer, and that's describing the image. And you could also have in here like image colon, and then have the description, just to be more clear, because people who are visiting and who don't have visual impairments might see this and not know what that means. Then you could say image, or even image broken, colon, then describe it. There's another way you can edit the alt tags and images. That is through your media library. If you go to the dashboard, and if you're finding this tutorial helpful, click the like button, because that helps this video show up for more people on YouTube so we can spread the knowledge and help more people with this information. So make sure you click like if you like this video. And go to media library. We see a list of all the images on your website. If you're on the grid view, just click on the image to edit it. If you're on the list view, hover over it, click on edit. I'm going to go back to the grid view because that's my favorite. Click on any one. Let's click on this lady right here. And we see here a box for alternative text or alt text, and we can add the description here. Woman smiling in her living room. I don't know if that's her living room. Might be a office space. Anyway, we now have an alt text right here, and that is updated automatically. So we just close this, and if we refresh, just to prove to you it's updated automatically, click on our image again, we see the text right in there. And that's two ways to add alt text to your images. And you want to make sure you do that to every image on your website. It says here, leave the alt text empty if the image is purely decorative, which is advice you could follow, or you could just add alt text saying, this is my logo, this is a decorative image, just to make sure you have alt text everywhere. Next, check out the WordPress skills playlist right here. You're going to learn all kinds of stuff in there. I can guarantee it. If you haven't done so yet, click subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. My name is Bjorn Allpass from WPLearningLab. Till next time, keep crushing it, and I will see you in the next video.